Your vibe writes the script. Let's find out what kind of story you're starring in today. Welcome to your Pick a Card reading for Tuesday, June 17th, 2025. In front of you are 5 lovely little piles, each holding 3 tarot cards, upright or reversed, because hey, life isn't always right side up. Take a deep breath. Center yourself, and pick the pile that gives you that feeling. Ready? Let's see what the cards have been dying to spill. The Star, upright. 9 of Pentacles, reversed. Queen of Wands, upright. Message: you're glowing, even if you don't feel like it. The Star says there's hope, healing, and maybe a sprinkle of cosmic glitter floating your way. The 9 of Pentacles reversed? That's your inner perfectionist whining again. Ignore her. And the Queen of Wands is handing you a microphone. She wants you to take up space, be bold, and stop apologizing for existing. What to do? Strut your stuff today, even if it's just to the kitchen. You're magnetic. Let it show. Confidence is louder than doubt. Wear it like your favorite hoodie. Pile 2 cards. The Lovers, reversed. 10 of Swords, upright. The World, upright. Message: okay, things might feel a little off. You could be overthinking a relationship, a decision, or just your last text message. The 10 of Swords says something is ending, but it's the kind of end that sets you free. Cue the dramatic movie scene. The World's here with a graduation cap and a gold star. You've learned the lesson, now move forward. What to do? Choose peace. Choose you. And maybe skip the dramatics, but totally celebrate the fresh start. Pile 3 cards. Knight of Cups, reversed. Page of Wands, upright. Justice, upright. Message: emotions might be running a bit wild. The Knight of Cups reversed is like that friend who's sweet but unpredictable. Thankfully, the Page of Wands comes skipping in with energy and big ideas. Justice says, stay balanced, stay honest, and please don't send that passive-aggressive message. What to do? Get those feelings out, in a journal, in art, or by dancing in your room. Just don't let your emotions drive the car today. Pile 4 cards. Death, upright. Ace of Pentacles, upright. 8 of Cups, reversed. Message: change is knocking, loudly. Death isn't spooky here. It's that, finally throwing out that old junk kind of energy. The Ace of Pentacles says something better is sprouting, especially in money or life goals. The reversed 8 of Cups wants to cling, but you've outgrown that old situation, haven't you? What to do? Step into the new. Say, thank you next to what's ending. This glow-up is well-deserved. Pile 5 cards. 2 of Swords, upright. The Moon, reversed. 3 of Cups, upright. Message: decisions, decisions. You might feel stuck or unsure, like you're blindfolded in a maze. The Moon reversed clears some of the fog, but also reveals what you've been avoiding. And here come the 3 of Cups with balloons and snacks. Your people are here for you. What to do? Call your bestie. Spill the tea. Sometimes the answers come when you're laughing over coffee and not staring at your ceiling at 2 a.m. Which pile did you choose? Let your message guide your day, with clarity, heart, and maybe a little sass. Which pile did you? If this reading clicked, give it a like, subscribe, and share it with your favorite human. And remember, your energy makes the magic. Walk through your day like you own it.